Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one practice problem based on the concept of k nearest neighbor classification, whatever I have discussed in my previous video. Okay, so you must know the coding of k nearest neighbor classification in MATLAB. For that, if you have any doubt or if you don't know that method, please check the link given in the description. In my previous video I have already explained that in detail. That will help you in solving this particular example problem. So the question says, given the training set 0 1, these are basically, you can assume these are coordinates, xy coordinate in Cartesian plane and or 2D plane, and CA these are basically class, CB these are class. Okay, -1 for -1 class is CA, for 1 also class is CA, for -2 class is CB, for 2 class is CB. Okay, and the question says, by using the above training set, classify the point 5, 1 and -1, 4, applying 3NN decision rule. So how our in this particular problem k value is 3 in the KNN algorithm. Okay, now see, in my previous video I have shown you for checking the class for one test case, but here two test cases are present, so we can keep the whole previous code in a for loop and we can run as many times as we require. Okay, that's modification we have to do. So what I have done, see, simple code, CLC clear all, close all, warning off. These things I am writing. If you want you can write, if you want you can ignore. Output will be stored in this empty matrix. Then x, y, c. Okay, these are our input. Basically, enter the first parameter, enter the second parameter, and enter the class. Okay, and then I am storing this c class to m variable. Later I will show you. Later I will discuss why I am storing that in other variable. Now next one, we have to take input, that what is the k value. So k equal to input, enter the k value. Then es equal to input for how many times you want to run the code. Okay, this is very important. Suppose here for this particular case I want to run my code for 2 times. So what I will do, I will give input es as 2. So for erts equal to 1 colon es, okay, this is basically used to run our code that many number of times, and that is this for loop ends here at the end. Okay, clear? Now inside that, what we have written, inside that we are simply writing the code for, or the algorithm for, k nearest neighbor. Okay, that's all. See, a equal to input, enter the first parameter of first parameter value of test. B equal to input, enter the second parameter value of the test. Okay, then distance, we are calculating basically Euclidean distance, and then I am printing the distance also, so that we can check manually also, right? Temp equal to 0, temp equal to 0, I am defining for bubble sort purpose, and here this is nothing but bubble sort, which will sort distance along with that sort class. Okay, then class E, we are defining one empty array or empty matrix, and we are storing first k smallest distance class. Okay, and then see, I have to store the mode, right? Mode of class previously we are taking, but now here two outputs we have to give. So again I am taking output equal to output mode of class. So I am storing each result in the output variable, so that I have defined here output as one empty matrix. Okay, and c equal to m. This is very important, don't forget to do this. Why? Because after the first iteration your class is arranged in a way that minimum distance occurs in between each points, right? Now for the next iteration you require the original order, so I am putting the original order again using c equal to m. That's why I have stored here m equal to c initially, right? And then end that. So now how to give the input? See, understand it very carefully. Here if you do wrong, your result will come wrong. See, first parameter inputs will be, here x coordinate is 0, here -1, here 1, here -2, and here 2. So first parameter values will be what? 0, -1, 1, -2, 2, right? That's what I have written here. 0, -1, 1, -2, 2. Okay, second parameter value, let us check. See, second parameter is y. 1, -1, 1, -2, and 2. 1, -1, 1, -2, 2. Let's see. See, I have written the same 1, -1, 1, -2, 2. Now next one is class CA, 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 CB, CB. Now these are strings, so we have to write like this: CA, 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 CB, CB. Now enter the K value 3 because 3 NN we have to calculate. Now for how many times you want to run your code? There are two test cases, so two input. Enter the first parameter value of the test. See, carefully observe. First one is 5, next one is 1, right? So that's what I have written here. First parameter value of the test is 5, second parameter value is 1. Okay, now it is computing the distance. See, 5, 6.3246, 4, 7.6158, 3.1623. Now what are the three minimum distance? This is this 3.16, this 5 and this 4, right? 3.16 corresponding to CB, 4 corresponding to CA, 5 corresponding to CA. So we should get the result CA class, right? Now let us give the second parameter, C, -1 and 4, right? Because here our point is -1 and 4. So I have given here -1 and 4. Now here if I am calculating distance, 3, this is minimum. Here this one is minimum and here this one is minimum. Okay, what is the corresponding class? For the last one the class is CB. Okay, for the second last one the class is CA, and for the first one the class is CA. So majority is CA. Here also we will be getting output as CA. Now if you write output in comment prompt, as in output array our result is stored, output result is stored, we will be getting output equal to 1 cross 2 string array. Both result are giving as CA and CA. So we can conclude that for this particular problem, both the points 5, 1 and -1, 4 belongs to CA class. Okay, so this is how you can easily solve KNN problem. Just you need to know the fundamental code of KNN, which I have shown you, and that if you know, you can modify according to question and you can solve that, right? This is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed till now, and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. And the same code I will be posting in the comment section as I generally post, or in the description. You can check there. Thank you for watching.